Ease your design process in ZWCAD with the SpaceMouse thanks to intuitive, effortless navigation. Enjoy the smooth panning and zooming in 2D environments, making working on your project more fluid and natural. Navigate and draw simultaneously, allowing you to get more done in less time. Experience intuitive navigation for 3D objects, enabling a precise inspection of any details. Quickly access ZWCAD commands with radial menus so you can easily execute your most used software commands. And inspect your models from different angles, facilitating a fast overview. Discover the SpaceMouse product line now.